Just a quick video here of the TH components fiberglass doors. These are on my drift car. They're fully functional, as in windows and regulators are in and working. Mirrors are on, regulators in, even the check strap is in. Fitting is absolutely perfect, no issues whatsoever. Very, very good. Door handles work inside and out. Door locks as it should. These could be used for a road car or a drift car if you have rusty doors. Perfect replacement. Same on the passenger side here. Everything works as it should, fits as it should. Glass is in. Door locks. Opens. Full glass, full regulator in, handles in, check strap in. Window works as it should. Very, very good replacement for steel doors and serious weight saving as well. Very, very good product.